Rua de Emenda, Gizikai. Ooh, streets of Macau, going through the market. Ooh, Rua de Emenda. I'm just walking the streets of Macau, just walking down Rua de Emenda, going on down Rua de Emenda, a beautiful little street in Macau, a little Rua de Emenda,
Okay, so we're going to be going down Emenda Street, and this is the beginning of the street. These beautiful banyan trees line the street, and then this right here says that it's a pedestrian street from 8 to 9. So 9, that I guess will open up again, and so this would be the street that starts at, which is a beautiful banyan street line main road. So then we're gonna put it up on the map before we walk down it, and then this is going to be our target street right here, which is Emenda. So let me put this up on the map, and then we're going to walk all the way down it. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that says Rua de Emenda right there, and then we're just going to walk into it, but you can see this it's kind of beautiful with the trees, and also the way that that overhangs a little bit. And then we are in this pedestrian street, and the reason it's pedestrian is because of the market. So we're gonna walk down, and this whole area, the red market, is not too far away, so you'll see like flowers. You can buy lots of different stuff. But yeah, it's all pedestrian friendly, so it's like permanently car free. I mean, until about 9 p.m. and then at 9 p.m. you know, they need to restock, so right, I guess that might be when they can bring stuff in, or they'll bring it in on these little trolleys, and they'll restock the shelves a little bit. Fresh pork. So let's go on down and see. This one has some old scales in there as well. And you can buy t-shirts here. That's 39 is the cheapest, 100. 39 is about $4 American, $4.50, something like that. You got some different meats. But yeah, it's really photogenic. The lighting is on just a little tiny bit for some of these as well, which is kind of attractive. Okay, this one, the older type machine there. Okay, so let me just see what else we got in here. We got fruits, vegetables. So we're gonna keep on walking down our street, and then we'll kind of give you some context of all the other stuff around here. Make us try to capture the corners. So that's kind of one corner. That's another corner right there. That's another corner right there. Sometimes the corners are kind of photogenic. So we're gonna keep on walking down that way. Different meats there. Buy some eggs. Looks like they got all kinds of different fruits and vegetables in here, so these would be super fresh, and they're buy some fresh garlic right there as well. Prices are quite low. I was recently talking, somebody interviewed me recently from the United States and just kind of asking me about what it's like here, and I was describing that you can get all these fresh fruits and vegetables for low prices, unlike United States where that's almost impossible. Usually people there have to go to these places called Whole Foods and spend, you know, exorbitant amounts of money for anything that's natural or healthy. Everything's processed there. It's kind of set up like that in the system, so it's harder to get access to fruits and vegetables. But it's hard to describe, you know, all the reasons why exactly. It's durian right there. So pretty nice little street. Okay, so let's go down. Here's some more fruits and vegetables in here. You can buy also lots of shirts, clothing as well, towels. So the prices of everything would be quite low. Okay, so this one, this is going to be a through street, so we have this kind of blocks the traffic from coming through it. You can buy some lots of different stuff like these, and also some I think that's Indonesian, I think. Okay, so we're gonna walk further down. Let's keep on going down. So that's the through street that traffic can go through. So we'll just keep on moving. Okay, so Emenda, yeah, this is like part of, sometimes people just call it like the red market area. So they'll say, oh, go down to red market, you can buy some cheap socks or swimwear or whatever they're selling, bags. So yeah, those bags will probably be like just a few dollars, really, 4 or 5 American dollars. I don't know what it costs in the United States now. If you're curious, I haven't lived in the United States in many years. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way down to the end, and then if you're curious to see what this looked like the last time I was here, I'll have it. So the thumbnails will always have the last time that I was in the same street, and that way we can see the difference of how it's changed. Sometimes, you know, streets do formations, and also, you know, some of the shops might be the same. You can see if they were here 5 years ago or whenever the last time I was on the same street. So yeah, this one has been this way the whole 13 years that I've been here. I moved to Macau in 2013, so I came here even then, and I think it's way predates that as well. There's a little shrine right there, and there's also a little alley. I filmed this alley not too long ago, actually. But if you want to see that alley and what it looked like when I filmed it all the way down, just take a look for that. But yeah, Macau's just filled with all these kind of cool little stuff like that. I'm just going to, I'm not going to go down the alley, I'm just want to capture how interesting it can be when you walk through these areas. Okay, so let's keep on going down Emenda. I also want to go down to the shrine real quick here. There we go. It's a nice detail. Year of the horse. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down, and then we're gonna go all the way down to the go all the way down to the end of the street here. Like a pretty cool guy. There's more stuff down that way too. So these connect to other streets. So if we went through this building, we would go to the other end as well. Okay. Let's see here. More fruits and vegetables, more clothing. These prices are like 20. It's like that towel is like $2.50, $3. 50 is about $6 American. Okay, so we're just gonna come to the ending here. And so yeah, this stays as a pedestrian street because we have this little zone thing right there. I think our street might go down a little tiny bit more, so we'll walk down there in a minute. But there's our street sign, Hood Emenda. That's basically our street right there. Let's just go down and see if the street continues down or not. Oh, so that ends. So now it says Corda up there. So I'm just gonna walk down slightly. Captain America. So yeah, this will go into another Captain America. And then it just goes to another shrine right here. And then that'll go into a whole other realm of different streets to explore. But anyways, I usually just focus on one street at a time. So that would be Emenda Street. And we'll come to an end for our street. So hopefully you like that one. And now we kind of have it recorded in time again for 2026 and what it looks like. So who knows, the next time I'll be back, it might be a couple years before I film the same street again. Emenda.